Hello everyone, welcome to online maths classes. In previous video, we did up to 12th problem in exercise 4.4. In this video, we are going to solve from 13th problem. Let us see the 13th one. In the given figure, if PQ perpendicular to PS, PQ parallel to SR, angle SQR equal to 28 degrees and angle QRT equal to 65 degrees. Then find the value of x and y. Here, what is given? PQ perpendicular to PR. These two are perpendicular. And PQ parallel to RS. PQ parallel to RS. Then find x, y. So let us see. So what is given? PQ perpendicular to PR and PQ parallel to RS. These two are perpendicular and these two are parallel. Next, angle SQR equal to 28 degrees, angle QST equal to 65 degrees. This is given. So here PQR is a triangle and angle PRQ equal to y, angle PQR equal to x degrees. This is given data. Here I am taking triangle PQR. From triangle PQR, angle P plus angle PQR plus angle PRQ equal to 180 degrees. Here angle P is 90 degrees since PQ is perpendicular to PR given in the data. Plus angle PQR is x, angle PRQ is y equal to 180 degrees. X plus y equal to 180 minus 90. X plus y equal to 90 degrees. Let us take first one. Next, here PQ is parallel to RS and RQ is the transversal. Therefore, these two angles are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, angle PQR equal to angle QRS since alternate interior angles. What is angle PQR? PQR is x. X equal to angle QRS. Therefore, angle QRS equal to x degrees. This is x. Now, from triangle QRS, from this triangle QRS, RS is extended, so 65 is exterior angle. Exterior angle equal to this triangle. Exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So therefore, angle QST equal to angle RQS plus angle QRS. RQS plus QRS. These two angles. So that is 65 degrees equal to RQS 28 degrees plus QRS is x. So x equal to 65 minus 28. So x equal to 37 degrees. Now substitute x equal to 37 in first equation. What is the first equation? X plus y equal to 90 degrees. So x is 37 plus y equal to 90. Y equal to 90 minus 37. So 90 minus 37. So y equal to 53. Therefore, x equal to 37, y equal to 53 degrees. Okay, next question is 14th one. In the given figure, triangle ABC side AC has been produced to D. Angle BCD equal to 125 degrees and angle A is to angle B equal to 2 is to 3. Find the measure of angle A and angle B. Here in triangle ABC, AC is produced to D. Angle BCD equal to 125 degrees and angle A is to angle B equal to 2 is to 3. Then find angle A, angle B. That is given. So let us see from triangle ABC, angle BCD equal to 125 degrees and angle A is to angle B equal to 2 is to 3. This is given. So then we know that angle BCD exterior angle equal to the angle BCD. This is exterior angle. BCD exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. That is angle A plus angle B. So exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Okay. So that is angle BCD. What is the angle BCD? 125 degrees equal to angle A plus angle B. That means angle A plus angle B equal to 125 degrees. So sum of these two angles is 125 and the ratio of the two angles is 2 is to 3. You have to divide this sum in this ratio. So to divide in the ratio, first of all you have to find sum of ratio. Sum of ratio equal to 2 plus 3, that equal to 5. Then angle A equal to total value is 125 divided into 5 parts and in that A is 2 parts. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 remainder, 5 fives are 25. That is angle A equal to 25 twos are 50 degrees. Angle B equal to total is 125 divided into 5 parts. So B ratio is 3. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25. Angle B equal to 25 threes are 75 degrees. Therefore angle A equal to 50 degrees, angle B equal to 75 degrees. Next 15th one is, in the adjacent figure it is given that BC parallel to DE, angle BAC equal to 35 degrees and angle BCE equal to 102 degrees. Find the measure of angle BCA, angle ADE and angle CED. So in this figure BC parallel to DE, these two are parallel and angle A equal to 35 degrees, angle BCE equal to 102 degrees. Okay, then we have to find angle BCA, this angle. What is that? Angle BCA. Next you have to find angle ADE, this angle. What is that? Angle ADE. Third one is angle CED, this one. Angle CED. So this is first question and this is second and this is the third question. Let us write the given data from figure. What are given? First BC parallel to DE. These two arrowheads lines are parallel and angle A equal to 35 degrees, angle BCE equal to 102 degrees. These two are given. Next, first question is angle BCA. BCA. So by observing these two angles are linear pair. These two angles are linear pair. What are those? Angle BCE plus angle BCA equal to 180 degrees since linear pair. Linear pair. Angle BCE is 102 degrees plus angle BCA equal to 180 degrees. Angle BCA equal to 180 minus 102. Angle BCA equal to 78 degrees. Next, second one. Second one is, so what is the second one? You have to find ADE. ADE. So before finding that, I am finding this value. So then we can find this. So ABC is a triangle. The sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So from triangle ABC, sum of three angles, angle A plus angle BCA plus angle CBA equal to 180 degrees. CB or ABC, whatever. So angle A is 35 degrees, that is given. Angle BCA equal to, we got here 78 plus angle CBA itself equal to 180 degrees. 35 plus 78. 130 plus plus CBA equal to 180 degrees. Angle CBA equal to 180 minus 113. Angle CBA equal to how much? 67 degrees. Then we got this, it is 67 degrees. So by observing this, these two are parallel, these two lines are parallel, and this is the transversal. Therefore these two angles are corresponding angles. Therefore these two angle ADE equal to angle ABC. ADE, this angle equal to ABE, this angle, since corresponding angles. Therefore angle ADE equal to angle ABC or CBA, both are same, that is 67 degrees. We got second one. This is second one. Next, third one is, what is the third question? Angle CED. You have to find this question by observing these two angles, E and angle ACB. These two angles are corresponding angles. So what are those? Angle CED equal to angle BCA. Angle BCA, since corresponding angles. So angle CED equal to BCA. BCA is 78 degrees from 1. 78 degrees. So this is the third one. So first one, BCA equal to 78, angle AD equal to 67, angle CED equal to 78 degrees. So next, so 16th one is, in the adjacent figure it is given that AB equal to AC, angle BAC equal to 36 degrees, angle ADB equal to 45 degrees, and angle AEC equal to 40 degrees. Find angle ABC, angle ACB, third one is angle DAB, fourth one is angle EAC. In the adjacent figure, AB equal to AC. These two are equal. And we have some values. Angle ADE equal to 45, AEC equal to or AEB, AED whatever 40, angle BAC equal to 36 degrees. Then have to find angle ABC, angle ACB, angle DAB, angle EAC. These four we have to find. These four we are going to find. Let us see the given from figure. AB equal to AC. These two are equal. And angle ADB equal to 45 degrees. Angle AEC equal to 40 degrees. Angle BAC equal to 36 degrees. These three values are given. In this triangle, from triangle ABC, I'm taking this triangle ABC. In this, these two sides are equal. That is given in the question. In a triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angle should be equal. That means angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Okay. AB equal to AC given. Therefore, angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Let this value be x. So let us, I am taking x degrees. So sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. That is angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB equal to 180 degrees. BAC, ABC, ACB. These three angles sum is 180. BAC is 36 degrees plus ABC and ACB both are taken as x equal to 180 degrees. X plus x, 2x equal to 180, transposing right side minus 36, 2x equal to 144. Therefore, x equal to 144 by 2. 2 ones are 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. X equal to 72 degrees. So that means angle ABC equal to 72 and angle ACB equal to 72 degrees. We got first and second. Okay, next for third one. What is the third question? Find angle BAD. This we have to find. So to find that angle, I am taking, this is for third one. So it is first and second. I am taking triangle ADB. From triangle ADB. So in that okay. In this triangle, this is exterior angle. Okay. Suppose ADB is a triangle. So DB is extended. So this is the exterior. Exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So angle ABC equal to angle ADB plus angle DAB. So what is angle ABC? 72 degrees. Angle ADB is 45 degrees plus angle DAB. So angle DAB equal to 72 minus 45. angle DEB equal to 27 degrees. So this is third one. Next for fourth one. So to find this fourth one, so I am taking triangle AEC. So from triangle AEC. So same. AEC is a triangle, in that EC is extended. So this is the exterior angle. Exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Okay. So like this. This is exterior. So therefore angle ACB, angle AEC plus angle EAC. Angle ACB. ACB is 72 degrees. 72 degrees equal to AEC. AEC equal to 40 degrees plus angle EAC. So angle EAC equal to 72 minus 40. So angle EAC equal to 32 degrees. This is fourth one. So third one, second one, first one. The next question is, okay, 17th one. Using information given in the figure, calculate the value of x and y. This is the figure. In that, we have to find x and y. So the given data is from figure, angle A equal to 34 degrees, angle B equal to 62 degrees, angle D equal to 24 degrees, angle DCE equal to x degrees, angle DEA equal to y degrees. These are given. A equal to 34, B equal to 62, angle D equal to 24 degrees, angle DCE equal to x degrees, angle DEA equal to y degrees. You have to find these two. Here ABC is a triangle. BC is extended to D. So this is the exterior angle. So exterior angle x equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Therefore angle DCE equal to angle A plus angle B. Since exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Okay. Since exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Therefore, DCE is x equal to angle A 34 degrees, angle B 62 degrees. So therefore, x equal to 96 degrees. Got one. Next, here from triangle DCE. So from this triangle, DCE is extended to A and y is the exterior angle. So y equal to sum of opposite interior angle. That is exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angle. From triangle CDE. So exterior angle DEA equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Angle D plus angle DCE. D plus DCE. So that is DEA y equal to angle D 24 degrees plus DCE x. So y equal to 24 plus what is the x? 96. So y equal to 120 degrees. So x equal to 96 degrees, y equal to 120 degrees. So by this problem we completed this exercise and also this fourth chapter. So I think all you are following my classes. మీకు అందరికీ అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటాను. ఒకవేళ అర్థం కాకపోతే మళ్ళొకసారి చూడండి. ఎందుకంటే వీటిని అర్థం చేసుకోవడం కొద్దిగా కష్టం అవుతుంది. అయినా ఒకటికి రెండు సార్లు చూడండి. చూస్తే మీకే అర్థమవుతుంది. ఎక్కడైనా ప్రాబ్లం అనిపిస్తే కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో రాయండి. సో మీరు కొత్తగా వీడియో చూసినట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. ఇంకో కొత్త వీడియోతో నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో కలుద్దాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వందనాలు.